Welcome to our channel Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILAL. Inception and naming. After a lot of deliberation, after a lot of thinking, what can be the suitable name for our new channel? We have decided this, that Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory will be the most suitable one. It is going to be a lifelong project for many Indian intellectuals, those who want to contribute in a significant way for the development of our next generation through education. The first word of our channel, Indian. India is our love, India is our motherland, India flows in our blood, India is the soul of our existence. We live and die for India. So, whatever we think, plan or do, before that we always ask this question to ourselves: how our motherland, how our dear country will be benefited by this. Therefore, without the name India, we felt that the name of our channel will be incomplete. Then coming to the next word, legends. Legends are very famous and admired people because of their ability in a particular area. So, we want to create a number of legends, number of notable figures from our next generation. The synonyms of legends are fabulous, incredible, awesome, fantastic. So, these kind of people, these kind of Indian citizens are to be created by our channel. That is one of our main motive. Therefore, the word legends is very vital in the naming and inception of our channel. Then coming to the third word, alpha. If we will get the alphabetic meaning of that one, then it is the first letter of Greek alphabet. Then coming to the lexical meaning of alpha, its meaning is fast or start. So, it is going to be the first of its kind, or it is going to be our starting attempt. Next, coming to the software field, alpha software means that software which is in the initial stage or the first stage of its development. Coming to the human beings, the alpha human beings are those who are having the control over the other people and those who are interested to lead. So, creating a lot of leaders through our first attempt, it is one of the objective of our channel. Therefore, without the word alpha, the objective of our channel could not have been shown. Therefore, the name alpha is included here. Then coming to the last word, that is laboratory. As you know, laboratory is a place where there will be some equipments ready for teaching of science or experimenting some of the things, or where the chemicals and medicines are produced. Here the next generation proper human beings who are going to create a name and fame for our country, they are going to be created. The synonyms of laboratory are workshop, foundry or factory. So, here in this factory, Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILAL, great human beings are going to be produced. I in ILAL represents all the citizens of India, irrespective of their caste, color, creed, religion, language, beliefs and any other thing that you can think of that divided India in the past, are dividing India at the present or will be dividing India in the future. They will not be distinguished in the name of all these things. I means each and every individual citizen of India. Then Lal means the favorite child. Who is going to be the favorite child of ILAL? Each and every citizen of India, they are going to be our favorite child or favorite human beings. So, Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILAL is created to serve as the first factory or workshop to create fabulous and fantastic Indian citizens in the future. Our objective is to make knowledge available to each and everyone in the most logical and easiest way possible. If we want to create fabulous human beings or fabulous personalities, then we have to catch them early. Keeping that in view, very vast area have been planned to be covered here. From standard 3 to standard 8, science, mathematics, English, EVS and general knowledge have been planned to be started, which soon will include standard 9 and 10. In standard 11th and 12th, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology and English are to be taught. Fundamentals of English grammar, English for competitive examination, ethics and principle, scriptures and religious stories, inspiring stories and personalities, counseling the students, counseling the parents, memory improvement course, speaking ability improvement course, writing ability improvement course and many more are going to be included with the passage of time. This is all about the inception, naming and objectives of ILAL. Thank you all. Have a nice and wonderful day. Jai Hind. Thank you all. For upcoming videos, never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. To get updated notification, press the bell icon.